said, yes, now good morning, friends all over the world. I'm sure you can see my caption. Yes, that is the message that I have for Edos this morning. You know, the last 2 years, the last 1 year of my time was dedicated for politics. Politics, trying to add my voice to the development of my state, to stop these hooligans from coming back to take over our streets. Now, it is time for us to engage in the real charity. Now it's time for us to start doing the right thing. The right thing. So that Edo can truly move forward. Charity. What is charity? What is charity? The ability for you to give to others. Charity. Helping others, touching lives, sharing in people's pains, sharing in people's burdens, sharing the little you have, making sure you treat people the way you love to be treated. That is charity. And we say charity begins at home. When I was growing up, that one I will know. Charity begins at home. Now there your family for coming. Now there your family be number one. When we say charity begins at home, and there this message I already preach out for the next 1 year. I already preach out for the next 1 year. If you feel say this my message, they affect what you call your hustle, now you know. That's why in my last video I said it is time to hustle legitimately. You agree, you don't agree, oh, this my message is also touching you. But if you don't put money for your pocket, patient, go and hustle legitimately. With time, you will appreciate this my message. Charity begins at home. Charity, they say, begins at home. Yes. If I come out now, I go to the street to share 5 bags of rice, to share 1 bag of rice, to share 20 bags of rice. Just know that there is food in my house. just know that there is food in my mother's house. Know that my siblings, there is food in their homes. So my aunties close to me know that there is food in their homes. During the COVID, I know how much I spent buying palliative to support my people that are close to me. That one will not video those ones. The ones when I give some women for my streets, I not video those ones. The one when I give some women for our Magba community, where I stay, I not video those ones. The ones when I carry go my area for Sesame, where I grow, and that one I video. I don't already make sure say my immediate family, that will be my primary constituency. Then my neighbors where they around me. No, the ones that I feel access, I access. Because I don't feel access everybody. Why I don't see they not get. If I want to try to access everybody, that means I'll need to do a live video. I don't put my account number and say, support me. I cannot do it alone. Support me. I cannot do it. No. I just do the little one I feel do. Before you come out, say that you can be Adazoe, make sure you don't be Adazoa. Please go back to your family. Go back to your family. If you get any song when we don't sing for a life, will make sense. Now, I'm yami ye, osimela onu ge miami jwe o, odebungbe niye mu dia yi o, kenori ga ye. That's the song. No lekwe or no riga o no lekwe or something like that. That song, a very meaningful song. No matter what my parents do me today, I feel very small. After some time, I mean, we even call them. I mean, we even try to see how if they play with this. Okay, I'm almost funny. I'm a mije, I'm a mira, I'm a megbe. No matter what. You see, recently I was telling some of my guys, I said, I have very few friends on social media. I only have associates. I have fans. But I have very few friends. Very few friends. Nine. Many of them are my buddy. They talk for phone. They call me. But I can't call them my friends. I can't call them because if I call you my friend, just to say me and you don't say. I don't offend you, you don't offend me, we don't forgive ourselves, we don't share, we don't eat together, we don't do a lot together, we don't suffer together, we don't support each other together. Because this person is my friend. I have very few friends. I have business associates, I have partners, I have normal political friends, political associates. But if I call you my friend, just know, say, me and you don't come a long way. You know the good side of me, you know the bad side of me. And we don't learn over the years to manage each other. There's no perfect friendship, there's no perfect home, there's no perfect family, there's no perfect relationship. There is nothing perfect in this life. So if you see some family, they do well, somebody must have invested in that family to do well. Somebody must have built that spirit, that forgiveness spirit, to say no matter how family is family, let's couple ourselves together. Somebody must have invested his time, his resources, his energy, his patience to build that family where they envy. Somebody must have invested seriously, not only money, time, energy, patience, the family. Today, when they wake up, if I call some of my boys now, somebody in Amagba, as we speak, they are in some street very close to me there, checking properties, what they want to say. When we want to say Eric properties. I call one, make an office now. Joke. Please share this broadcast, invite your friends. Una must learn. Una must learn, oh. Egbu wa ya very good. Ya ke pure water. Wa have you go to Yuru Webu. Agbomere, so Agbomere, Maria Gbegbe. Agbomere, Maria Gbegbe, Maria Gbijeme, Maria Gberawe, Maria Gbeteme. May hand meet you first, may you know. Mo know who you want to call.
Hello, sir.
Where are you?
I'm going to that place. You don't win now.
You don't win now?
Yeah.
To show the guy the property.
Sir?
To show the...
Yes.
Not call the man.
Yes, sir.
Where now for meet am?
For Wasota Junction.
How many of you they go now?
I'm near Amudia will go. Amudia will come to us.
Okay. Then what about the... Okay, if you're not true, then you go Ring Road.
Yes, sir.
All right. Let me know if you're not show the guy the property.
Okay, sir.
This one are two of my staff. They want to go show client property for you don't win on this morning. Some day I'm about to talk. Some are on their way to Ring Road to go cover NSAS protest. These boys, when I put for street this money, so they are going to earn money legitimately. They will not have time now to go sit down for beer parlor. These boys. By the time they reach us, after they don't work out today, by the time they reach out, before they, sometimes they don't even feel bait before they sleep. They don't tire, sleep, rest for tomorrow work again. Share this broadcast too. They don't go get that time. Go carry woman come house. If you begin to carry different women, they'll come give one belly. Go go take get children when full street. Go say they don't get responsible parents to take care of them. The day now. I want to let's do sales. Let's get clients. Let's sell. Once we sell, they smile. Once we sell, they smile. And they'll be sure of getting something to take home. At least their pay should be able to take them home. Their pay should be able to put food on their table. Engage people. Engage them. Legitimately. Not they call and say, no, you come my brother, go look for a person where you say they insult you. Engage them. If me engage 40 people, you engage 5. This one engage 2. They don't want to engage 3. They don't want to engage their people. You know, we'll see people for street. This one, you know, was not a bad parlor. You know, we'll get back and we'll say, we don't able to see now. You know, credit, we'll more to see. Now, one day, if you don't take care of people, one day, then you go meet Barfred, will tell you, you know, they will come my house, they'll go drink. Midnight, you go wake up. We'll say, Father, what will they do with this? So, we'll carry God come out. We'll carry God come out. Say, you be a robber. Say, no, we shall be a robber. Would they go obtain? Would they go? They say, no, they go. We don't say you go. Just start for road in case any police or anybody they come. You just blow, you just signal us. That's why they enter. The first time with normal mobile phone, this is your phone where they use so good. If we just start for that place now, all those useless girls, when they collect boys' phone, we all collect their phone. That's how armed robbery starts. That's why I say lure people enter. Bad company. Before they will come to show your brother for crime fighter, go try to engage your brother, engage your sister, engage people around you. People don't say, they don't really go for, you know, they don't gather like 5 to 6 phones. Come house. That's so easy. I said, I don't tell you, that's so easy now. Take one in, take this one, go sell them. You know, maybe you can go sell them, make like 100K one day. Abba! You say, Abba! That's not money there, this thing, that's so easy. So they start. Before you know it, they'll come begin to block highway, they'll come begin to do house robbery, they'll come enter kidnapping. That time. Don't see what you will fit do, you will fit change them again. You kidnap somebody pay ransom of 3 million. As iron bender, you know how many gates you'll do before you figure out 3 million. As bricklayer, you know how many houses you go build before you fit gather 1 million? So no give them the room to get that bad company. Don't give them that room. Engage them. So be everything about Ewebo. Or to mention Umayati Ewebo. We're going to look now. I was saying, yeah, we are going to support you. Go back to your family. Your mama, many of you people, you don't call your parents. You don't know how they are doing. You don't know how they are doing. Now let the bats, maybe especially the women, maybe the time when they carry one, when you carry one map for head, your mother always they call you, you say, my family, they disturb me, they ask for money. Sometimes you even delete their number, you will block them. The day when you're sick for that abroad, the doctor will check you. They don't go get. They'll say they don't know what they do you. The first person you will call is your mother. And that day you go know say that connection when they take carry you for womb, no doctor get the real cure is with your parents. That time you will remember. That your wife when they the day when you go set, now your wife now you go run to for house. So my brothers, my sisters, my friends, the real charity starts from your family. The real charity. The real charity starts from your family. The real charity starts from your family. We know say we also get family members when they take advantage of people, of their brothers. Even the ones who are there and the ones who are there outside the country, say, my brother get money. Every time they ask, we know. Look for one for your family who is serious. Look for the one who is serious for the family. Package them. Empower them. That one will empower the rest. No, they run up and down. Everybody, they hate you. You come, my brother, you know if you go to your family house. Because my dollar is very bad. When I say family, it starts from your immediate. If you are married, it starts from your wife, your children, your mother, your siblings, your neighbors, your community, before people who you don't know. Before people where you don't know, if you be man, charity starts from your wife. Your wife is the engine room of the house. If you make the money, I should be the engine room. I should take care of things. I should pack, couple the family together. Then your children, your parents, your siblings. Because your siblings, it's right the ones who don't grow, still try and manage themselves. Not be all parents is strong to manage themselves. Your parents. Because when they're born us will be their babies. Now they don't old, then our babies. That's why we they take care of them because they don't first take care of us. Then people around you don't ever say. Sometimes they'll say, people they say they want to follow one man fight. Community people say, which man for this community? That man when they help everybody. That man when they do this for people for this community, we don't know where. Because the man don't touch lives. Some big men, they go buy transformer, they go only connect to their house. So people, they go come from abroad, they don't go remember. So, okay, maybe they even call people waiting their streets. Maybe they will say, just come up, let's eat together. Or maybe they share rice. Maybe they don't do something. Now, maybe once when they do juju, native to the say, yes, sir. Then they remember, say, they don't go to cook one year juju food. They share the people, say, this sir that they do. Help genuinely. You see, yesterday, I watched Dionosage video. That boy, I felt talk and say, now God will save that boy in future if that boy not rob. na God that will save him. And I dey pray for him. Now you look boy see the body. Now you rob. Because the guy dey come up with different things. Diaspora diaspora estate you have done now. Recently, I went to Lagos. All those Ibeju Lekki, Dangote refinery area. I get message for them. And I get message for people when they buy properties through Zion. Lagos State government didn't know what. That boy wakes up every day. You don't think of what he go do now. Oh, what he go do when he go take collect money from people. What he go do when he go take collect money from people. We just get team of people when they say, okay, we just do like this. Where is the mentally challenged woman when it's time for motor? Where is the lady? When we want pastor call and drive the lady up and down, that one the lady call and saying, where is the lady? Where the mentally challenged guy at the beginning of Osagie and the Wife Foundation, when Osagie bait that time, and that video that bust John. Better come give her clothes, give her food. That was the end. That's why the money they make from people's predicament, the money they make from the pains of others is blood money. It's blood money. That period, it not be the way I take carry social media cake, come and take flog Osagie for gas. Everybody be done open foundation for Benin before. Look for Europe, people be done they do give me make I give people, pay it to my account, make I give person, pay it to my account. Now only few people don't do fundraising where they bring the victims or the people account. Very few. They are always after their own, the easy way of getting money. And the reason why they get people like una, many of them don't abandon our family. And it easily they get. Like when they hear that, many go party me hear they accounted John. Or they hear they accounted police. Because a dig back, a can stay here, a leg game, even driver, even workers, even ni gualiyobo. So ego paro, even your ban a colisimu that here mula diani ayawe ni yego ya accounting. No. I won't try it. There's nothing John is going to say that will make me pay money into his account. Because if I need to keme or tiwe, if I need to keme, about 500 cars you are there. If by way, he do turn like that. He do way, if I need poor hero, like baby, I need poor hero, I want to say, I need poor hero. That is the only way, the other way. A boy na ate John Henry account number where you maybe do you kere yo we di very 100,000 we ti the 90 we 10,000 ya we yobo wa we yobo no video e o bi agbo ibi agbo iwi yobo the real one we say we video ni the real one we had de la we gushi de la we go de la we video ni but we kere we la de we ya we yobo ni or we have video wa ge o you go to what ya we yobo that is what they do. That is what they do. That foundation is the cheapest scam. Foundation in Nigeria is the cheapest scam. They just they be like pastors. Check Facebook today. If you enter Facebook, before you see 10 live videos, 7 to 8 are pastors where they preach. I was watching one yesterday. I said, okay, maybe I'll watch this pastor for 5 minutes. I say, I can't watch him. He didn't speak it up. As they speak it, they go still they open with amen. See where people they type amen. He didn't speak it up. May I do what I do yesterday? Share this broadcast so Una must get sense. Una must wake up. Share this broadcast. The man go pray. Let I go like this. Can't read. Devil, you are a liar. Devil, you are a liar. That barren woman that is watching me, that man that is struggling to get job, that woman. Then it goes, because look. I got a comment, Pastor. You're not going to. He said, there is one Abatoba say, yeah, the devil is using you. The devil is using you. Also, social media is to connect. People are using social media platforms, this thing, to make money legitimately, while others are looking for cheap way to scam people. So if you carry phone this morning now, check on your people, your friends, your community, and then you go not say you don't need these people to help. You know what it means? When you come my brother like this, you buy 10 bags of rice. So say, well, I have a bag. You want the bag, or African card, just on the bag, holding back one more bag you get. You want the bag, if you are moving now, one more bag you get. Or when you get man or and no way should be carrying, one more bag you get. It won't be a map or one more truck, one more bag you get. Try it. When you see the way you take sleep. If you take BP drugs to sleep before that, then you go sleep when you go snore. You'll be very, very happy. Because why? You don't disgrace them. You don't video them, put them for internet. Maybe people when their family call it and say, they bag of rice whenever near our video. Most of these people when they video, their family not they happy. You'll be like somebody now will come see my mama for road. Maybe somebody that call this now, immediately will come see my mama for road. Maybe no knows my mama. Then maybe go come video her, say madam, what they do random out of kindness, go come video her. I go arrest them sharply. It's dehumanizing. I go arrest them because once that person life better tomorrow, you don't know what the person no they happy to see that video. It's not what they happy. That's why all this most of these people will get health issues that are mentally challenged. Now, majorly out of desperation, I mean, they say video me. May not they happy say the video call tomorrow. If they see those videos, they're not happy. That's why most of the time you see some foundation, some people they blur their face. But our people here, they don't do it because they want their major target. Many people in this Nigeria will help pass our people in diaspora. Why is busy our focus now? Majorly our people for diaspora. Why we have near you go? So please go and face your immediate family. Some men, if they outside, you see them with creamy girls, beautiful girls, with big phones, expensive phones. They would open fire. They would impress those girls. Some men are very good at impressing prostitutes. They are very good at impressing prostitutes anywhere. Man will get 100K for account. Once girls just surrounded like this for bar, go begin to spend. You never pay school fees. The man will not even remember the last time when they give his wife money. Say, they look more. I need new clothes. They look more. Hey, they're many like that. Those kind of men, if you see their wife and their children for road, you don't go believe. Oh, this man they spend for town. They don't take care of their family. They don't. So people you see that like you see their mama for road, you don't believe. They don't. They don't. I know of some family. I know some big disgraced people. Even during that politics, you get one guy where they always talk to me anyhow. I know a family. I wish I had police at that time. I'll go video the family house. I'll put her for internet. Even the amount of people they self-support is a yamu that time. When you throw things like that outside, if it's set, life now up and down. Today you go dey do well, tomorrow things will shake, then you still need time to still recouple, you still move up again. That's so they be, that's so life just be. Big men, they, once they broke, they already know. Sometimes bank will go pay them out. Sometimes they'll just still naturally through friends come up again. That's so it be. That's so it be. So my friends now when they abroad, they call me. If I won't be on birthday, if I won't be on birthday, if I won't be on birthday, most send our gift. If I won't be on birthday, you know why? Because when they did Nigeria, I was kind to them. I was nice to them. It was on my fans. Abba, when is Owen's birthday? When is Owen's birthday? The day. That is when you are naturally good. When you have that goodwill, people will naturally just call you. Not you trying to look for a way to collect money from people. Oba Ima, Oba Eware the second, Oba Ewe video there where if you do webo, wow you bo gegwa o, if the obo, wow you boreo. No! Oba will never do that. But if you're doing the boom waro, that will naturally just come, that will naturally just say, here we gegwa, as a sign of appreciation. That's how it is. If you are good, you don't need to carry your phone or be looking for cheap way to collect money from people. It is not sustainable. This fake life is not sustainable. Fake hustle is not sustainable. This was it. Not spoil my work. Oh. My guy, I'm very good. I don't spoil anybody work. Oh. Now my own, I just do. Somebody, I don't want to mention name. Let me make this call. People they listen to me well, and they walk. And the scammers they cry. Many families now don't get their people attention seriously. And you call them, they go vote for Obaseki. Now they don't vote for Obaseki. Now you don't abandon them. Why you know they call them again since after election? You don't send them money. They do victory party for your house. I want the 100 euro giveaway. Me 100 euro now. Obaseki one live against Sunday. What the small call? Why I celebrate? But after election now, people are doing victory party everywhere. You don't carry phone. Say, you have sent 10,000 naira go or why you 5,000 at least there? Why the other 5,000? Why Bunya? Or you manager? Or you victory party? You don't do it. They don't vote for Obaseki finish now. You know they call them again. Now so I want to make another call. Make una know say people they listen to me. Hello, boss. It's all. How your side now?
Thank God.
Where after that my video that day, and you want to see you near the person. Where on 150,000 where?
Yes.
On one that will know ye.
Already, sweetie.
On what say where? On the 150. After the person watch my video, Abi.
After the person watch one of the video, when you jamming.
Oh my! I think we see where we go.
It's all right.
150,000. I shocked when he come and say, "How about that your video work? Oh, he shot." This is your scholar say that 150 take. Stop diverting people's attention from who really need their help. With all this una Mila Foundation, Viola Diana Foundation, 150. If you live here, I see you, I do more. 150. You're surprised that day. Now, if this person, if you don't even get 10K, family man, or you never even pay school fees. A lot. Many people never even call me. Reach out. This will not be even a brother or a friend. And if friend call her, if your friend, not be family, if friend, maybe that one don't already sort your family. Say, I still get one friend that here for Nigeria. Take. Let us connect. Who get that 159? You say, go think bad thing. Go think I want to go kidnap. Or I wanted to go thief phone. Share my videos. People are learning. Many people me wa. Ave shetro niri ye ma go ideluwa. Na the more you wa ekere no. Na the more you wa. I will soon create a program strictly for lazy boys in Europe. Strictly for lazy boys in Europe. Niri juego. A platform in Odenuwa. The Murphy the Murphy is just testing the microphone. He may hear expose what to your part. You are naked one. Why did I have to attention, man? Why did I go? Imagine this kind of person now say maybe when dash a friend 150,000 now. Say go watch genocide video or call it Mudia. Who watch that one? Alert. I don't know. All of them they dance like this. Alert or yagbe. Alert you call me walker. You call me walker. You call me walker. Ogbe. Alert or yagbe. Alert. People come here, open your own. We trust you. I know they open. Go help your people. I why ye mu a bag of rice now. Mu hokona buy. Mu ki ojo we. Ndunu na wa. Mu gi osato. Mu gi ona. If you stumble into all this foundation video, why the if you alpha? Any who are touch we. Ya gwala wa egbe when you your body now. For all, if everybody start to help. Where he mean so far. You know, if you see any member of my family go to genocide program say, hey, I need help, it's not possible. It is not possible. When my cousin went go Libya, they called Aramigo that time. They called Aramigo. He was doing it to embarrass me. Today now the guy is calling, sending message every day, apologizing because when he tell me saying they Libya, I told him, I said, I will work with your people for Europe. I will support you. I need to call them. Well, one or a team will cross. Let me because my girl in Libya. You didn't even tell me for okay back. What's up, mommy? But all you didn't I not take you. Don't know I so person Libya or they're gonna yes. I don't support roots. Leo, Leko, Labuja. Mais support a route because no busunu. But I say what do we do? Any that don't bring him my way pa there's a yoni. So as if he was using it to my trusted okay. Why anyhow me already by no, it's not. I'm gonna do again. Go back to back no Libya. Fosa, go back to back Make because even the boy don't call him go Ogbawe. He made dime. Egbeni meye mekawi yopona ike unere. Atangolo sababe epene datu bombe be sekre ereyi. Bombe wa be so kakabo mani lega be obosia. Bombe be sekre ayi. So please, and if you are watching me, you are in Nigeria, don't rely solely on your people in Europe. Say they never bring money, you know, will chop. Please, anything where you they do. See, if you my fan, you they follow me. Sometimes people they drop comment. I don't like their comment. I'll go check their profile. Sometimes if they not be my friend, I'll send them friend request. I want to check your profile, see the things where you they do. Use your social media to showcase what you do so that if people check you out, they will know what you they do. They'll obviously message you, say, are you into social business? You'll say yes. Are you showcase? Send me the jobs that you have done before. Okay, let's see. Let's see. They'll obviously give you job. Use your platform. Look at my platform. They show property when they send now. Use your platform. If they break like this, anything wey you dey do, if they call you for work, you don finish the work, the person like the job, ask person say I fit snap am, upload am for my Facebook. Person say go ahead, it's your job now, upload am, snap am, upload am. Somebody wey dey follow you one day go chat you say I like all these pictures wey you dey always dey upload o, abeg before somebody go street go look for somebody wey dey do work, if you dey do the work they go give you the work, cause na don already be friends for Facebook. Hello? So, when they here, just let your people abroad be proud of what you do. Let them be proud of what you do. I'll tell you, but wow, when the Facebook or where my the Facebook got to me, I go one no bolo or what Facebook. Your friends, your people for them will feel linked to somebody who will give you money instead of looking for euro area. Tell us what you do. Private chat us. Crafty boss, this is what I do. I'll put your number somewhere. If somebody come and say you need pencil, and you I will call. Tell us what you do. As you they follow me, Miss I go they follow you. So that this is your data where they watch me, especially you when they Nigeria. This is your data where they watch me. If I get business will favor you tomorrow, I will call you. Now you have fair call you, they follow me. I also want my platform to also put food on your table. Charity begins at home. Go back to your family. Go back to your family. Go back to them. Go back to your friends, your childhood friends, your neighbors. People that cannot push themselves. How will you born? One of my boy now is Sweden. His name is Osafame Obasui. It's my boy. When he stay with me that time, he get access to my cars. Then I get Toyota Camry, Votron, I get C-Class, and I get Camry. Then they go Uniben. If you wake up, carry any of my motor. If you wake up, go school. Maybe me don't come out. Maybe I drive any of the motor. The one where they ground, I go carry go school or go anywhere where they go. I was free. I was free. We know they know chairman boy. We know they do that. I was very free. Today, now, anytime he call me, he get the way the Osai get insult, go call me. He say, "Pa, this Osai get the way they insult you, I know they happy. If I know they happy, this guy they don't know you." I say, "No, he don't need to know me. He just they want to spoil my name." Be free to people around you. Today, there is a big boy. Am I still feeding him? Not being still, nobody they do well now for where they. There are many like that everywhere. Some day America. Unless you are naturally bad and evil, you don't think meet me one on one when you say, "See what you about do me." Because I know say today, if me feel give you, tomorrow you feel give me. If person tell Governor Obaseki 25 years ago say he will be governor of Edo State, you know, will believe. Maybe that time things never even too solid for her. If person tell Oshomole 25 years ago say he will be governor of Edo State, you know, will believe. If somebody tell Matthew Rogi, they say 25 years ago say he will be senator, he will serve Edo State for 2 years, for 2 terms, you know, will believe. If person even tell me 10 years ago say I go day like this, that governor will know me, everybody for Edo State will know me, I don't will believe. So not still who not get today, make you say, this person not get me. You don't know. Tomorrow, today is your day, tomorrow will be a day. So my dear people, I thank you. I appreciate you. Thanks for watching. God bless you. The message is go back to your family. Go and raise them. If you don't get money to raise them, the ones who they do business, call people to patronize them. You wait there here when they do something. Look for something doing. If you're already doing something, showcase what you do. If you don't get money to go ITV, go do advert, you don't get money to go EBS, to go use your Facebook. Each post for Facebook, they hit minimum of 250 people, even if you don't get like. Even if you don't get like, now 200 people, 250 something people, that's yeah. Even if nobody like them, be uploading your things there. One day somebody go private chat you. Do something. Thank you very much. Share this broadcast. I was your que pastors, que foundation, que va ni film go be Facebook. Here man like a video now. But the man don't move forward. The man the gbiyama. The man don't man. The man beggars for the streets. The man na me we ihweki. Ya amwelo. The man na me we ya go get here the dweki we wa ri alone. We bank white asa ya ni gwe or to your business way or stable. These are the people that will appreciate this video and the people that will share this video. Thank you very much. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.